Hello, this is Hero from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 31 of beginner course. Today, we will focus on double stitch. We have covered hand stitch techniques up to part 6, and this double stitch technique will be the last lesson of the hand stitch technique in the beginner course. If you've been following along the beginner course and practice hand stitch, this method is not too difficult for you. Before diving into double stitch technique, I will first explain why and where we use double stitch. Then, I will guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive in! First, let's talk about why we use double stitch. Double stitch is used in areas where the stitches will get pressured. For example, in this card wallet, this leather piece will get high pressure. Every time you take a card in and out, the leather stretches, which can cause stitches to get loose. To reinforce these areas and prevent the thread from getting loose, we use double stitch. Now, I think you understand when and where to use double stitch. Let's go through the process step by step. Let's double stitch together. In this lesson, I will reinforce this step using double stitch. First, let's saddle stitch until you reach to the step. Once you reach this step, take the backside thread and insert it into the next hole in the direction of stitching. And pull the thread through and tighten it. Once you pull the backside thread through, place the right side thread over the left side thread and insert the left side thread into the next hole in the stitching direction. Then pull the thread from both ends to tighten. Now, let's start double stitch. Take the backside thread and insert it into the previous hole, moving in the opposite direction. Make sure to guide the needle along the upper edge of stitch hole to avoid piercing the thread in stitch holes. Then pull the thread through and tighten. Then, flip leather over to the front side and position the right side thread over the left side thread. And insert the left side thread into the next hole. Then pull the thread through and tighten it. By following these steps, you will achieve a clean, even, and durable double stitch on both the front and back side of the leather. That's all for today. How was it? If you've already mastered back stitch, you may have noticed that the double stitch follow a similar process. By this lesson, you now have a complete understanding of hand stitch basics, thread needles, saddle stitch, back stitch, two thread finishing techniques, and double stitch. So in the next lesson, we will use these hand stitch techniques to make a leather item together. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like and subscribe for more leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.